Hi everyone. Hello everyone. How are you? Hi babies. So, welcome back to my channel which is Master English with Neeti. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मास्टर इंग्लिश विद नीति में। हम आज इंग्लिश को मास्टर करने के लिए एक स्टोरी बुक का यूज़ कर रहे हैं जो कि है फिट्जरॉय रीडर्स। वी आर गोइंग टू रीड अ स्टोरी फ्रॉम इट which will be the third story that we have done so far. We have already covered two stories like in my last video. Similarly, we are going to start with the third story, which is 23rd number story, and the name of the story is The Girls and the Ball. And we are going to learn, first of all, special words, new vocabulary words, and how to read with phonics. What is phonics? Well, phonics is nothing but the sound of the words. They are sound of the letters when they are combined together. They also form a sound of a specific word. For example, if the word is bat, it would be b-a-t, bat. B-a-t, bat, bat, bat. So, phonics help to enhance communication in an effective manner by making a pronunciation great. phonics हमारी pronunciation बोलने का तरीका जो words का होता है करेक्टली बुलवाता है और उसे रिफाइन करता है, क्लीन करता है और सुनने में वो अच्छा भी लगता है. So let's get ready to read the story, which is, yes, you guessed it right, The Girls and the Ball. So here we are. The Girls and the Ball. Now, before we begin, I would like to introduce some not so special words. Now, what are not so special words? See, every story in Fitzroy Reader caters to special words. Now, so I told you in my last video also and previous to that as well, special words are those words which don't have a sound. They are words which don't have a sound. उनकी sound नहीं होती. जैसे द का THE में अलग अलग नहीं पढ़ सकती. I can't say टी की साउंड थ, एच की साउंड ह और ई की साउंड ए. नो, इट्स सो रॉन्ग, इट साउंड सो रॉन्ग. सो इसका मतलब है कि मैं इसको फोनिक्स में नहीं पढ़ सकती. बट सपोज इट इज बॉल, सो आई विल रीड बॉल एज इन फोनिक्स लाइक ब अ बॉल, ब अ बॉल, राइट. तो इस तरह से हम फोनिक्स में पढ़ते हैं. लाइक गर्ल्स को कैसे पढ़ेंगे? ग अ एल्स, गर्ल्स, ग अ एल्स, गर्ल्स. सो गर्ल्स, इसको भी मैंने फोनिक्स में पढ़ा है. नाउ नॉट सो स्पेशल वर्ड्स भी हम इस स्टोरी में इंट्रोड्यूस होते हुए देख रहे हैं. और ये जो नॉट सो स्पेशल वर्ड्स हैं, विच आर सो नॉट स्पेशल, इनको नॉट सो स्पेशल वर्ड्स क्यों कहते हैं? वेल, इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन भी अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो यहाँ दी गई है. अगर आप इसमें ध्यान से देखें तो नॉट सो स्पेशल वर्ड्स वो वर्ड्स होते हैं, दे आर दोज वर्ड्स वेयर सम ऑफ दी स्पेशल वर्ड्स हैव एक्स्ट्रा साउंड्स. इन नॉट सो स्पेशल वर्ड्स में एक्स्ट्रा साउंड होती है, विच इज लाइक दे आर also having extra sound and long sounds. We can say that these special words are not special. Why? Because when the new extra sounds are learned, some of our special words will become sounding words. अब आप बोलोगे ये क्या बोल रही है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. I'm not able to understand what she's trying to say. Well, let's move on. हाँ, मैं बताती हूँ. Here are some words which were special words. और यहाँ पे वो कह रहा है कि कुछ स्पेशल वर्ड्स दे. ये आप देख रहे हो बच्चों, यहाँ स्क्रीन पे पेज नंबर 32 पे इस पे लिखा हुआ है नॉट सो स्पेशल वर्ड्स सबसे नीचे. एंड हियर बिलो on this page number 32, we can see that these words which are mentioned here, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 words which are mentioned here, ये वाले words जो थे special words थे at a point in time. But दे हैव नाउ साउंड्स, एक्स्ट्रा साउंड्स. और जब इनके अंदर एक्स्ट्रा साउंड, स्पेशल वर्ड्स में जब एक्स्ट्रा साउंड आती है ना बच्चों, तो वो स्पेशल वर्ड्स नॉट सो स्पेशल हो जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पहला वर्ड क्या है, ब ई ए क. कितना गलत साउंड हुआ, हम इसको फोनिक्स में भी नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं. प्लस दिस इज नॉट अ स्पेशल वर्ड बिकॉज इसमें दो साउंड आ रही है. बीक, व्हेन आई से द वर्ड BEAK, बीक, उसमें ई और ए की साउंड मर्ज हो गई और एक वर्ड साउंड बन गई. तो बीक में ई की साउंड डोमिनेटिंग हो गई और ए की साउंड कम हो गई. तो वो वर्ड बन गया बीक, जहाँ ई की साउंड बहुत हाई है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है छप. छप, छप, जहाँ आई और आर में आई की साउंड थोड़ी सी हायर साइड में लग गई, तो इसमें साउंड आ गई. CH की नहीं थी, P की भी नहीं थी, लेकिन किसकी आई, छप, अप. तो IR की साउंड आ गई. तो दिस इज लाइक नॉट सो स्पेशल वर्ड. ऑल राइट, नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड विच इज hugged. hugged, hugged, hugged. और इसमें क्यों ये नॉट सो स्पेशल बोला है, क्योंकि इसमें ED लग गया, जहाँ पर दोनों की साउंड कंबाइन हो गई और किसी एक लेटर की साउंड नहीं है. तो hugged है ना, hugged में ED लास्ट में लगा है, जहाँ पर hugged मैं बोल रही हूँ तो E की साउंड नहीं आ रही है. The sound of the letter E is not coming in the word hugged. That's why it is, but the sound of the letter D is quite audible, and that's the reason why this is not so special word. Next so not so special word is home. Home, home, where the sound of the letter E in home is not that audible, and though the word is there and we can hear a little bit of the sound of the last letter, that is E. Now came, same way, and see and chew. Again, in C, double E is long sound, so it's a long vowel sound, and that's why it's not so special word, because इसमें double E लगा and double one, and you know that A, E, I, O, U are vowels, so इसमें double E लगा है C, the word C में, जिसकी वजह से because of what is happening is that C, in the word C, double E is a vowel and it will be called as long vowel letter. All right, next chew. chew, chew, chew. अब chew में U, E and W, तो उसकी साउंड दो अलग लेटर्स की नहीं है. इट्स chew, U, U. सो E की साउंड ज़्यादा है, W की साउंड कम है. सो इट इज़ नॉट सो स्पेशल वर्ड. स्पेशल वर्ड में बिल्कुल भी साउंड नहीं आती है, पर इनमें थोड़ी बहुत साउंड है, इसलिए दे आर नॉट सो स्पेशल words. So not so special words. अब बच्चों आप मेरे साथ बोलेंगे, what are not so special words? Well, not so special words are those words which were special at one point in time, but suddenly they had sounding words in between, and due to which these so-called special words were not so special. क्योंकि इनके बीच में साउंड्स आ गई, इसीलिए कुछ कुछ लेटर्स में, सारे लेटर में नहीं, कुछ कुछ लेटर्स में जब साउंड आ गई तो वो नॉट सो स्पेशल वर्ड्स बन गए. अब ये when you look at the picture, you can see that there is a ball, right? Yes, so you play sports, you play games. There are different types of games with ball, be it basketball, football, volleyball, etc. But here, when we read the story, repeat after me, the girls, and the ball, ball, the girls and the ball, the girls and the ball. Acha. Now what can you guess is happening here? Well, children, I believe that you are also thinking on the same lines, that there is a ball and maybe the girls want to play with the ball, or they have their own ball, or they like this red and golden and yellow ball. We can just decipher the meaning. We can just think of a meaning. Now let's move on to the next page number, which is page number 34. Please open in your notebooks or Fitzroy readers. Yes, very good, children. Now again, in every Fitzroy reader we have a word bank, right? Yes, you are right. So now we are going to do the words to increase our vocabulary. हम अपनी vocabulary को strong करने के लिए new words का introduce इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है और उसको हम इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं सेंटेंस मेकिंग में, डे टू डे यूजेस में, ताकि हमारी इंग्लिश और बेटर हो. सो नाउ लेट्स गो टू द वर्ड्स वी नो. प्लीज बेबीज रिपीट आफ्टर नीति मैम. मेरे पीछे आप रिपीट करेंगे. happy, 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 happy. Silly, 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 silly. Funny, funny. Very, very, very is a special word also. We all read in the last story, children. Then we move on to baby, baby, baby. Angry, angry. Chew, chew. Children, children. Chart, chart. When, when. Who, what, what. Keep today, play. Keep today and play. Smart, hard, sharp. Now, finger, please. Now, what is the new sound? Well, the new sound in the story is w, WH is when. So the new story introduced in the story, the new sound introduced in the story is when. When. Got it. Janet has a ball which is red and gold. She loves to whack it as hard as she can with her bat. Now, what is happening in the story? There is a girl named Janet. There is a girl named Janet in the story. She has a ball. What does Janet have? Janet has a ball which is red in color and it is red and gold. और उसको she loves to whack. Whack मतलब WHAC की मतलब जोर से मारना. ओके उसको बैट से बॉल को whack यानी जोर से मारने में बहुत मज़ा आता था. When Janet hits her ball, she yells. और जब Janet अपना बॉल हिट करती है तो वो ज़ोर से चिल्लाती है. She feels good when she plays the bat and ball. कभी कभी होता है ना, there are girls who like cricket and when they play bat and ball they feel so happy. Similarly, Janet was so happy upon hitting the ball. Alright, she was so happy. See the happiness on the face. Now page number 38. We can see that a friend of Janet's, her name is Libby, so she comes to see Janet. So what happens? She has no ball to play with. Now, Libby, a friend of Janet, arrives and she wants to see what Janet is doing and she also wants to play with her. But Janet was somewhere going to play with the ball herself. So Libby comes to see she has no ball to play with and then she says, I hate you, Janet. Oh my God, why did Libby say that she hates Janet? Kyun? Why did she say that? Let me play with you or I will hit you, she says next. Now children, what is Libby telling Janet? She is literally scaring her out. Children, is this right that you should scare your friends? Tell me. Yes, you are right. We can't scare our friends. What is their fault? Well, here in the story we can see Janet was made frightened. She was frightened because of whom? Because of Libby. And what did Libby do? Well, she said that go out, go away. She told Janet. Alright? So and then she's threatening Janet. Threatening means dhamkana. Libby is threatening Janet by saying that let me play with you, मुझे तुम खेलने दो, और I will hit you, नहीं तो मैं तुम्हें बहुत ज़ोर से मारूंगी. And then फिर उसने कहा Janet ने, क्यों भाई, क्यों मारोगी, मैंने ऐसा क्या किया? Then she feels scared and run away. और Janet ये सुन के डर के मारे भाग गई. ऑब्वियसली डर तो लगेगा ही. Now what is happening? Libby feels angry when Janet runs away, but soon she feels sad and a bit silly. She has no one to play with. अब क्या हो रहा है लिबी को बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है बेबीज. एंड जैनेट भाग चुकी है लिबी की डर से, इसलिए लिबी को गुस्सा आ रहा है. बट सून शी फील्स सैड एंड बिट सिली, शी हैज़ नो वन टू प्ले विद. और उसको ये समझ आता है कि अरे मेरी एक अच्छी सी फ्रेंड थी और मैंने उसको भी डरा दिया, उसको डरा के भागने पे मजबूर कर दिया. लिबी फील्स वेरी बैड अबाउट हर फ्रेंड Janet. So she decides to go to the park next day. And Livy comes back और Livy आती है. Janet is scared. और Janet डर के मारे लिबी से थोड़ा स्केर्ड है. स्केर्ड मतलब डर जाना, फ्राइटेंड. ओके, कौन? जैनेट. क्योंकि जैनेट लिबी वापस आती है स्कूल, तो क्या देखती है? जैनेट वॉज ऑल्सो देयर. एंड देन व्हाट हैपन्स इज दैट लिबी कम्स बैक. देन जैनेट इज लाइक शी सीज लिबी एंड शी स्टार्ट्स टू रन अवे. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? वेल, नेवर माइंड. सो पेज नंबर 42. Don't go away, whispers Libby to herself. और लिबी ने क्या बोला? मत जाओ. धीरे से उसने बोला. किसको? अपने आप को. Today Libby has a soft, sad voice. और आज के दिन, इतने दिनों बाद आज के दिन लिबी की वॉइस सॉफ्ट है और सैड है. वरना लिबी ज़्यादातर गुस्से में रहती है और चिल्लाती. इससे तो यही समझ आ रहा है ना बच्चों. Whenever you won't play with me, I will feel sad. Now what is Libby telling Janet? She's saying please मत जाओ, मेरे साथ खेल लो, नहीं तो मैं तो बोर हो जाऊंगी और उसकी वजह से मैं सैड फील करूंगी. Why won't you play with me? Libby asked Janet. और लिबी फिर पूछ रही Janet के पास जाके, तुम मेरे साथ खेलती क्यों नहीं हो? फिर Janet ने आंसर दिया, I am scared, said Janet. Janet ने क्या बोला? I am scared. I am scared. तो लिबी कह रही है, Why won't you play with me? तुम मेरे साथ खेल क्यों नहीं रही हो Janet? Then Janet says, I am scared. मैं तुमसे डर गई हूँ. You are not nice to me. तुम मेरे से अच्छी नहीं हो. तुम मेरे से अच्छे से नहीं रहती हो. लिबी feels bad. अब लिबी को बहुत बुरा लगता है. ये देखो उसका फेस दिख रहा है ना कि वो सैड है. पेज नंबर 44 पे. She wants Janet to be friends with her and Libby wants Janet to be friends with her. Then she says she feels bad. Who feels bad? Libby. उसको लगता है यार मैंने गलती तो की है. तो फिर वो अब Janet को क्या बोलती है? I will not hit you. मैं तुम्हें नहीं मारूंगी Janet. I will be nice when we play. और मैं अच्छी बनूंगी when we play together. Janet wants a friend. Now page 45 children. Janet wants a friend to play with too. She likes the soft voice which Libby has now. She feels better with her. और अब Janet को इससे अच्छा लगा कि हाँ भाई लिबी के साथ मैं खेल सकती हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि लिबी ने उससे सॉफ्टली बात की थी. And she liked the soft voice of Libby. And she feels happy and better with Libby. Now let's move on. You are being nice to me now, Libby. I will play with you. Now, whenever they are together, they play happily. You are being nice to me now, Libby. So who is saying that? This line is said by Janet. To whom is this line said to? This line is said or addressed to Janet. Alright. You're being nice to me now, Libby, says Janet. And then Janet is really happy. Janet is really happy. And I will play with you now. Who says? Janet says. To whom? To Libby. She says, I'm really happy with you, Libby, that you have become better person and I let go of the way you were in the past and you have apologized sincerely. तुमने माफ़ी मांगी sincerely. So I will consider and let's play now. So I will play with you. You seem like a good person as you are politer now. So whenever they are together they play happily, and जब भी वो साथ होते हैं, who, Libby and Janet, they play happily. So children, what is the moral of the story? इससे आपने क्या सीखा? Well, I as a teacher feel that the moral of the story is that you should respect everybody around you, plus you must talk in a polite manner. Be polite. The virtue is be polite. That is derived. If suppose children, I as a teacher start shouting on you, what is this, what are you doing, blah blah blah, every time, in every period, every time I'm shouting at you, will you like my voice? Will you like the way I'm shouting? No, nobody like higher voice level. Everybody wants a politer person, and everybody likes a polite person. So you should understand, if you want people to be polite to you, first you have to set an example and be polite with them. So the moral of the story is be polite and humble with your friends. Now let's go to the final words in the chapter that you can see. The words that is there in the word bank. Number 1 is scared. Scared means having a fear of something. Dar jana, to be afraid, or somebody gives you a fright. Next is nice. Next, when. Next, feels. Next, voice. Next, came is the past tense of come. Alright, come matlab आओ, came matlab आ गया. One. Who. Money. Friend. What? अच्छा, HERE क्या होता है children? What is HERE pronounced as? Many of you or us are not saying HERE the way we should. Even I was checked at a point in time, way back 5 years, 5 years back. Well, the word here, it is here. H-E-H, it is not H, it is H. So HERE is here. Come here. We don't say here, come here. No, here is your hair. And HERE is here. Come here. Come here. Alright? Keep this in mind, children. Then which, whenever, why. Which means whose. Then whenever, kabhi bhi, and why, kyun. Now some new words introduced by the end of the chapter were, number 1, whisker. Whisker is, the little mustache in cat, or a dog. So whisker. And then we have whisper. Whisper is talking so softly that nobody can hear you clearly. Like, for example, you bring your hand in front, and then you whomsoever you want to talk to, you take your hand and then you speak like this in muffled voices. Okay, fine, we are going to do this. So that's a whisper. All right. Finally, we come to the last word, that is new word, is whip. Whip means to. There are two meanings. One is whipping. Okay, whipping means whipping a cream, whipping a froth in a circular manner. Alright, and one whip is taking a stick and giving one nice thrash at the back. So that's a whip, using a whip. Alright, okay. So children, if you have any doubts regarding this question, you can always feel free to ask me in comment column. I am going to answer all your queries. For now, this is Neeti Verma signing off. Enjoy your time now. Please do the reading of the letters, words, and try to frame sentences. Alright? Rest, I hope you like the story. The moral driven was be polite. Yes, you're right. Alright. Bye, children. Please like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Love you. God bless you.